Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Khan Zaima and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to study about the scapula. This is our scapula bone. Today we are going to talk about its introduction part, site determination, general features and also its ossification part. Before starting the video, first we have to know which side scapula it is. To know that we have to hold the scapula like a gun. जिस तरीके से हम गन होल्ड करते हैं उसी तरीके से हमें स्कैपुला को होल्ड करना है और जिस हाथ के इंडेक्स फिंगर में ये फिट होगा ये उसी साइड का स्कैपुला होगा. सो आई एम होल्डिंग लाइक दिस और ये मेरे राइट हैंड के इंडेक्स फिंगर में फिट हो रहा है तो ये मेरा राइट साइड का स्कैपुला है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इट्स बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्कैपुला. स्कैपुला को हम लोग शोल्डर ब्लेड भी बोलते हैं. ये फर्स्ट ट्रायंगुलर बोन है which is placed on the posterior lateral aspect of the thoracic cage. इसके पास दो surfaces, तीन angles और तीन processes होते हैं. So this was the basic introduction of scapula. Now we are going to talk about the side determination of scapula. Side determination के लिए हम लोग देखेंगे जो coastal surface होता है वो हमेशा concave होगा और जो हमारा dorsal surface है वो convex होगा और वो दो पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है. And the thickest border of the scapula with above a cavity should always placed lateral side of the body. So this was the side determination of the scapula. Now we are going to talk about its general features. General features में हम लोग देखेंगे इसके surfaces, borders, angles और processes. सबसे पहले हम लोग इसके surface के बारे में बात करेंगे. इसके पास दो surface है, that is the coastal surface and the dorsal surface. The coastal surface is concave, directed medially and forward. It has three longitudinal ridges. This was the coastal surface. Now moving on to the next, that is the dorsal surface. The dorsal surface gives attachment to the spine and it is divided into the two parts, that is the smaller part supraspinous fossa and the larger part that is known as the infraspinous fossa. Now we are going to talk about its three angles. The superior angle which is present at the tip of the scapula, the inferior angle and the lateral angle. The lateral angle is also called as the glenoid angle which is present just below the cavity. This was the three angles of scapula. Now we are going to talk about its borders and processes. It has three borders. Again it has three borders. इसके तीन borders. The upper border of the scapula is called as the superior border which is shortest and near it presents a notch which is called as the suprascapular notch. The lateral border is the thickest border. It extends from the lower part of the glenoid cavity and terminates till the inferior angle, and the medial border is thin and it also terminates from the superior angle and terminates till the inferior angle. This was the three borders of the scapula. Now we are left with its processes. It has three processes. The first process is the spinous process which is present at the dorsal surface. It divides the dorsal surface into two parts that we know, and the spine has two lips, that is the upper lip and the lower lip. The next process is the acromion process which is present just above the spinous process. The acromion process has two surfaces and two borders. The two surfaces are the superior surface which is present at the upper part of the acromion process, and the second surface is the inferior surface. The two borders are the lateral border and the medial border. This was the acromion process. Now the third process is the coracoid process which is a finger which looks like a finger, and it is an atavistic type of epiphysis. This was the three processes of scapula. Now we are left with its ossification part. It is intramembranous. It ossifies intramembraniously. It has two primary centers of ossifications and one centers of secondary ossification. Thank you for watching this video.